All right, this problem is from Module 8, simplifying a ratio of polynomials, problem type 2. So we have to simplify 100 minus 4v squared over v squared plus 8v plus 15. Okay, so the first thing we'll do here is we will factor out a 4 from the numerator. All right, notice that 100 and 4 are definitely both divisible by 4, so we'll factor out a 4. So let's write 4, parentheses, 100 divided by 4 is 25, minus 4v squared divided by 4 is simply v squared, over v squared plus 8v plus 15. Now, our second step will be to factor 25 minus v squared, and once again we're going to be using the difference of two squares formula. So recall that x squared minus y squared equals x plus y times x minus y, and 25 and v squared are both perfect squares. We're also going to factor the denominator, so let's write here, we're going to factor I'm going to factor the numerator using the difference of two squares. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to have the 4, 25 minus v squared, that's going to factor into 5 plus v times 5 minus v. Let's clean this up here a little bit. Next up, we're going to factor the denominator, and we're simply going to use the product and the sum rules. So let's draw two sets of parentheses. We know we have a v here and we have a v here. Two numbers that multiply together to get 15 and add up to 8 are 5 and 3, and they both have to be positive because the sum and the product are both positive. Now, what we'd like to do is cancel out any like terms that divide out to 1. So notice that we have a 5 plus v, which is the same thing as v plus 5. So these two would cancel each other out, and we'd be left with 4 parentheses 5 minus v over v plus 3, and nothing else can be factored, so this would be our final answer.